What would you do if your garage door suddenly stopped working? Fixed Garage Doors came to the rescue of this Glendale, California homeowner's worst nightmare. Our garage door repair experts swiftly stepped in with a reliable and prompt solution. Our skilled pros quickly diagnosed the issue: worn-out cables. With utmost care, we replaced them with new ones, ensuring optimal functionality. After rigorous testing, the garage door glides open smoothly once more. Plus, we taught the homeowner the importance of regular maintenance. Trust our dedicated experts for all your garage door needs. Call us at 323-364-6764 or visit www.fixedgaragedoors.com and say goodbye to all your garage door issues.